Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a CPA marketing method that doesn't require a bridge page or a landing page. And if you're a beginner, don't worry, I'm going to show you everything step by step, and also I'm going to give you some tips and advices. And you will get some statistics that will help you to optimize your campaign as best as possible. So with that being said, let's start. Okay guys, you can use this method on CPA Lead, on AdStera, on Max Bounty or any other CPA affiliate network. But for this purpose, I am going to use CPA Grip. I am here on my offers on CPA Grip, and here I will choose, let's say, United States, for example. And for category, I will choose email submit, or email and zip submit, because those are the ones that are easiest to promote and easiest to make money. And here you can see all the available CPA offers in this category. So what you need to do, you actually need to choose your own category. So let's say I'm in gaming niche. So what I can do, I can simply promote this offer here, get a PS5, that is a Sony PlayStation 5. Click here and I will get more information. Here you can see I can earn $2.05 for every email submit. So what I need to do, I need to click here to copy my CPA Grip affiliate link, and I need to paste it in my notepad because I am going to need it later. Okay, so next thing I need to do, I need to make a banner. So to make a banner, you can use Canva, and usually you are going to need banners of 300 by 250 pixels or 250 with 250 pixels. Now for this purpose, I am going to make a 300 by 250 pixels banner. So what I need to do, I actually need to change the background color. So click here and then click here, and let's just say, for example, no, I will choose, okay, this is a better color. So now, because I'm promoting Sony PlayStation 5, what you can do is you can simply go on Unsplash, for example, and find all the things that you need. And I already did that, so go here, and this is Sony PlayStation 5. So I will simply move that here. Like I said, you can find these images on Unsplash, Pixabay or Pexels, and all you have to do is just remove the background. You can use GIMP to remove the background, and I will make this a bit larger and make it on center, okay, just like this. And now I need to add PlayStation 5, just like this. And now I need to add text, call to action, and let's just say I will use this one. So I will move this, and I'm going to delete this. And here I can say, for example, win Sony PlayStation 5, and I will actually make this smaller and make it wider, okay? And I will move it here, and I will make this bigger and move it on center, okay? And I will make these letters in white color. Just click here and click here on white, and now this is white. Now you will of course make better banner than I did. I'm doing this just for the purpose of this video. Now after you finish everything, after you are satisfied with your banner, all you have to do is just click here on share, and then click here on download, choose PNG, and then click here on download and download that banner to your desktop. So now when I have my CPA offer and when I have my banner, next thing I need to do, I need to start driving traffic to my CPA offer. And for that, we are going to use a website called Clerks. Now, Clerks is online advertising marketplace. So basically, people who have blogs and websites, they come to this website and they advertise their ad space. They are selling their ad space. And good thing about this is these people are owners of these websites and blogs, which means they are the ones who are making the rules. You will talk directly with the people who are making decision, and that is a great thing. So what you can do is you can actually scroll here, and here you can see all the available blogs and websites. And when you scroll here, you can actually sort this by click-through rate, by all categories, or by size, price, type, or impressions. Now, because we are promoting a CPA offer related to Sony PlayStation 5, and that is a gaming niche. So I will go here on categories and then click here on gaming and humor. And here I can see all the available gaming related blogs and websites that are selling ad space on their blogs and websites. So for example, let's just say this website here. When I click here, I can get more information about this website, and I would strongly recommend to read the description that this person actually made. That is really important. Here you can see this website is member since 2014. That is 8 years, which means this is actually a trusted website. Here you can see last month this website got 687,000 impressions. Now that is a good number of impressions. Here you can see similar web rank, Alexa rank, they have 2,000 fans on Facebook. Now this is really important. Here you can see statistics, okay? And here you can see 56% of their visitors are coming from United States, and our CPA offer is actually for United States market. So this is exactly the website that we need. Here you can see 18% United Kingdom and 8% Canada, which means this website here is getting most of their traffic from tier 1 countries, and that is great for us. And here you can see available ad spaces. Here you can see sidebar, square, banner, and here you can see banner. Now we made banner for 300 by 250 pixels. So we are actually going to buy this ad space here. And like I said, usually you will either need 300 by 250 pixels or 250 by 250 pixels. Those are usual sizes for banners. Here you can see your banner will get 222,000 impressions. That is a good number. Even if just 100 people submit their email from these 222,000 impressions, you will still earn $210. And you will pay $25 for those 220,000 impressions. So that is 210 minus these $25. That is $185 of profit. Really simple, really easy. But like I said, it is really important to find the website or blog in the niche of your CPA offer. Here you can see they said that sometimes they have a low CTR rate because people advertise things that are not gaming related. So like I said, you need to advertise CPA offers that are related to the topic of the blog or website. Now, most of these websites here will actually allow you direct CPA links. Now, some of those websites won't, but 95% of those websites will allow you to promote direct CPA affiliate links. Now, if some website doesn't allow direct CPA affiliate links, what you can do is you can simply contact the owner of that website, because like I said, you will talk directly with the people who are making decisions, and you can offer them a bit more money. For example, here you can see $25. If you offer them $35 for these 222,000 impressions, they will actually accept your $35. As you can see, 222,000 impressions. They will accept your $35 in exchange for a direct CPA link. And like I said, even if you get just 100 people to submit their email, you will have $185 of profit. That is how good and how easy this method is. So if you're a beginner, it won't cost you much to actually test this method, and you can possibly earn some good money. And if you don't have this $25, you can go on Pico Workers and you can literally earn this $25 in just 3 or 4 days by doing simple tasks. So this is how to do CPA marketing as a beginner in 2022. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.